Welcome to our channel Lifestyle Ideas JPG. Today, our topic is how to buy a used car. Buying a used car can be a smart way to save money while still getting a reliable vehicle. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy a used car. Step 1. Set your budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a used car. Consider factors such as the purchase price, taxes, registration fees, insurance, and any potential repair costs. Step 2. Research. Research different makes and models of used cars to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Consider factors such as fuel efficiency, reliability, safety ratings, and maintenance costs. Websites like Edmunds, Kelley Blue Book, and Consumer Reports can provide valuable information and reviews. Step 3. Find the right car. Search for used cars for sale in your area through online classifieds, dealership websites, or local car listings. Narrow down your options based on your budget, desired features, and preferences. Step 4. Check the vehicle history report. Before making a purchase, obtain a vehicle history report for the car you're interested in. This report can provide important information about the car's ownership history, accident history, and maintenance records. Services like Carfax and AutoCheck offer vehicle history reports for a fee. Step 5. Inspect the car. Schedule a test drive and inspect the car thoroughly before making a decision. Look for signs of wear and tear, rust, dents, and scratches on both the exterior and interior. Check the engine, brakes, tires, and suspension for any issues. If you're not confident in your ability to assess the car's condition, consider hiring a mechanic to inspect it for you. Step 6. Negotiate the price. Once you've found a car you're interested in, negotiate the price with the seller. Use the research you've done to justify your offer and be prepared to walk away if the seller isn't willing to negotiate. Step 7. Complete the paperwork. If you and the seller agree on a price, complete the necessary paperwork to transfer ownership of the car. Make sure to obtain a bill of sale and a title transfer form. If you're purchasing from a dealership, they will handle the paperwork for you. Step 8. Arrange payment. Arrange payment for the car, whether it's through cash, a cashier's check, or financing. If you're financing the car, secure a loan from a bank or credit union before completing the purchase. Step 9. Register and insure the car. Once you've purchased the car, register it in your name with the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, and obtain auto insurance before driving it. Step 10. Get the car inspected. After purchasing the car, consider taking it to a mechanic for a thorough inspection to identify any potential issues that may need to be addressed. By following these steps and taking your time to research and inspect the car, you can make a confident and informed decision when buying a used car.